Hello Soul Family, welcome to Trupti's Tarot Predictions. This is weekly predictions from 18 to 24th of October. Uh, I'm so sorry, last weekend I could not upload the weekly predictions since I was not available. I'm so sorry for keep you waiting. And so on 19th of October we do have full moon in Aries. Okay, it basically signifies the heated conversations, okay, conflicts in relationships, in arguments. So please do not get into all such things. Okay, please stay calm. Don't Do not get into exchanging heated words, heated conversations. Keep calm. Okay, this full moon effect may vary till 22nd 24th of October. So I guess till this week, okay, just stay calm in your conversations, basically in your relationships. This basically will affect your relationship. So if at all you are exchanging anything, okay, any important communication, please stay calm. Okay, don't waste your energy into such things. Okay, so yeah, as you know the weekly format, I'll be pulling out 3 cards for your energy towards your person, 3 cards for your person's energy towards you, 3 cards for your mutual relationship energy, 3 cards for your personal energy apart from love and everything. Okay, and keep one question in mind. I'll be answering that question at the end of the session. Okay, so yeah, let's begin. Okay, so first of all, take how it resonates. Okay, because there are multiple energies at play. Okay, that I can assure you. You at your side, okay, you are feeling fully in charge of the relationship. Okay, uh, marriage, commitment, stability, okay, maybe change of place. That is what all you desire. Okay, these are your desires, these are your wishes, these are your desires. This is what you want out of your relationship. This is what you want. uh, and yeah, you are not, I mean, it is not only seeking energy. Okay, I must tell you, uh, you are at peace. You are at peace wherever you are at. You are at peace. There I should not say these are expectations. Okay, these are not expectations. These are rather, I should say, these are requirements, or this is what you look out for. Okay, this is not something that you lack something. Okay, and that is what you are expecting from them. No, you are at peace, you are happy. Okay, wherever you are at in the relationship, and this is what you want from them, or this is what you expect, not expect also, this is what you want from the relationship, maybe next level to the relationship. Okay, so and I do see change of place as well. Okay, either you are expecting that change of place, or either they have changed the place. Okay, and somehow that has also affected the energies. Okay, their changing place, okay, has affected the relationship. Okay, and now, so this was first energy. Okay, take how it resonates. Okay, this was first energy, and the second energy is, since they have changed the place. Okay, so now you are in question. Okay, what about my stability? What about the marriage? What about our plans? What about our dreams? What about my desires? Okay, we have decided upon something. Okay, and now I do not see such changes or certain things happening. Okay, why? Because the person have either have changed the place, or have changed the job, or some changes has happened in their life which has affected your relationship. Okay, so two energies are at play. Okay, I'll just show you the card. The World, okay, Queen of Pentacles, and Four of Wands. Okay, this is what you want basically. Okay, the marriage, the happiness, okay, fulfillment, okay, in the relationship. But yeah, you are not lacking anything. You are at peace, you are resting, you know what you hold in your hand. Okay, this is what you are concentrating on. I'm so sorry. Your profession looks good, your career looks good, you are at peace, you are happy. At your own also you are happy, but it is just that this should have happened. Okay, or this is what you want, and this is not happened. Okay, why? Because has happened. Okay, they have either changed the place, the plan, or the profession, or the job, or the career, something they have changed. Okay, that is the reason. But yeah, I do not see this is lacking energy. Okay, this is at peace energy. But yeah, obviously everybody wants to move forward and move forward in life, the next level. Okay, so this is what you want, okay, out of your relationship from them. Okay, um, as we talk about them. Okay, I see they are fully concentrating on their career. Okay, these are the channel messages. Okay, uh, they are concentrating on career, or they are concentrating on their plans. Okay, this may or may not include you. Why I am saying this? Because these things are related to their professional side. Okay, not exactly typically to your relationship. So yeah, this is what they want, and this is what they are manifesting. Maybe they are manifesting next level. Okay, having said that, now these are also two energies. Okay, if at all you are in no contact situation, no contact in the sense maybe a little contact. Okay, so yeah, they are spying on you. They are basically and even if not spying, okay, they want to be in touch with you, maybe through direct contact or indirect contact. Okay, they just do not want to lose the contact with you. Okay, that is what I mean. They want that whatever I am doing in my life, okay, my career, my professional, obviously good. Okay, but I should not lose the contact with my person. Okay, so that is what they are doing. And yes, they are trying to maintain the balance in between their own energies. Okay, that is what they are doing. Maybe they also feel they also miss you. Okay, this is also another energy. Okay, that they are missing you, and that is the reason they are spying, or they are trying to be in touch with you directly, indirectly. But yeah, they are trying to maintain the emotional balance. Okay, I see it's a good energy, because if he or she, they, okay, are trying to build the life for yours, for you, for them, for the relationship. And yeah, and so yeah, that is what basically they are doing. That is what they are doing. They do not want to lose the contact with you. That is also another energy. I'll just show you the cards. The Magician, okay, the High Priestess, and Page of Swords. So let them do this. Okay, this is what they are doing. They are manifesting, they are taking care of themselves, they are taking care of of their career. Okay, the next level career. Let them do that. At the same time, they are manifesting also, they are taking charge of their emotional balance also. Okay, since the High Priestess, I personally, as a reader, I feel that this is the most important card in terms of emotional balance. Okay, in the tarot deck. So yeah, that is what they are doing, since the moon signifies the emotional side of us. Okay. And yeah, at the same time, they do not want to lose the contact, in touch. I mean, they want to be in touch with you, maybe directly, indirectly, howsoever. Okay, so this is what their energy is. Now let's see what is there in store for you. I mean, for your mutual relationship energy. Okay, you, them, or both of you. Okay, please do not feel that first of all, I do understand, even if you are on the same page, or even if you are on the different pages. Okay, in terms of expectations now. Okay, or in terms of goals, I should say. Okay, uh, it does not mean that you should get overburdened, both of you. Okay. um, I know you are carrying a lot of responsibilities, you and them. Okay, I do understand, because they are coming from I mean, theirs I see a family responsibility, and yours also I see family responsibilities. Okay, so but please don't get overburdened by expectations, and by of yours and others also. Others include family members as well. Okay, so that is one thing. Okay, take care of yourself. Don't be in dual mindset. Okay, if this is a waiting period for something to do in life, okay, for the next level relationship, uh, then be at peace. Okay, uh, you, them, both of you, don't get that even a little bit of anxious energy, because the future holds good things. And yeah, the future basically holds a lot of happiness. Okay, it is just that you need to cross this path. Okay, and have patience while crossing this path. Don't get overburdened. Okay, you don't need to do that. Okay, I'll just show you the cards. Okay, it is 10 of wands. Okay, you have come long way. Don't carry this burden all the way. Okay, you have been already carrying this all this while. Okay, now please don't carry this baggage throughout your life. Okay, leave it. Two of Pentacles. Don't be always in dual mindset. Okay, what is it? Okay, let certain things come into picture. Okay, certain things will be clear to you. Don't worry, because the future look good. Take hold of the relationship. Okay, take control of the relationship. It looks good, it looks promising. Okay, so yeah, this is it for your relationship. Now let's see what's happening in your life. Maybe finances, maybe family, maybe friends, or just only about you. Okay, three things, three important things. Whatever solution you are looking for, okay, maybe that is the reason you are watching this video. Okay, so whatever solution you are looking for, okay, it lies besides you. Okay, it is, you have got that solution. It is just that you have to open your eyes and look through it. Okay, it is just somewhere. It is, maybe you are overlooking it. Okay, maybe you know the solution. Okay, or maybe uh, you feel that this solution may not work. Okay, but that is not the case. Okay, just try once. Okay, first thing this. Second thing is, if you maintain the foundation. Okay, if you build the foundation with yourself, first of all with yourself, then with the divine. Okay, because you should be in stable energies, then only you will be able to connect with the divine, or anybody in this life. Okay, maybe your friends, family, anyone. Okay, so be in stable energies, connect with the, have stronger foundation with the divine, have stronger foundation with family and friends. Okay, and you are enough. Okay, basically the third thing is you are enough. Okay, see, we do need foundation to be strong with our divine, with the universe, with God, source. Okay, whatever you may call it as. So do that. Okay, maybe you can do meditation and all that, but yeah, you are enough. Okay, you can handle this situation. Okay, whatever situation you are at, this is not about your love I'm talking about, this is your about family. Okay, this is about your family I'm talking about. So whatever you are dealing with, you know the solution. Okay, it is just that you need to trust in yourself. Okay, this is the psychic message I'm getting, that you need to trust in yourself. For whatever reason you are watching my video, okay, you know the solution, you can get through this. Okay, just have little bit what do you call strength, uh, of faith in yourself, faith in divine. Okay, faith in God's wish. Okay, that is what is required. Okay, so I'll just show you the cards. 5 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, and 3 of Pentacles. Okay, now yeah, the exciting part of the reading I must say. Okay, so have one question in mind. If not, okay, please pause this video. Okay, and keep one question in mind. Let's divine, let angels guide you for your solution, for your question. Okay, not the right time. Whatever you are deciding. I sometimes feel so this thing. Okay, so see, there is a full moon in Aries. Okay, so if at all you are deciding to talk to your have a talk have a talk with your loved ones, okay, your partner. Okay, so this is not the right time. Okay, please hold on for some time, at least this week. At least this week, hold on for some time. Okay, don't get into heated conversations, don't get into conflict, don't be at war. Okay, I know this week will be little bit passionate, fiery with the Aries side, but yeah, the angels are guiding you, this is not the right time. Please hold on for some time. Okay, at least for this week, whatever you are thinking. Okay, so yeah, this is it from my side. If you like the video, please share it. Okay, subscribe my channel, ask your friends to subscribe my channel, and please support as usual. Thank you so much. Thank you for your feedback. May my higher self bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me.